Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video, I wanted to give you a mini update on Mini City. Despite everybody's, quite frankly, overwhelming amount of suggestions and support for my mini builds, I have unfortunately only put out 4 episodes since then. And the reason for that is, unfortunately, I have been defeated by the common cold, but luckily I have my totem of undying and I will be able to record new episodes soon. However, that has not stopped me from building. So basically, the whole point of this video is that I just wanted to show you guys what I've been working on, say thank you very much for the insane amount of support on the I Need Your Help video, because that has been so incredibly helpful. I'm still working through the comment section now, taking inspiration from your suggestions. And yeah, here is a little teaser on everything that I've been working on and all of the builds that will soon be added to Mini City. We'll skip over these first 4 builds as these are already in the Mini City. So moving on to the new stuff, the first build that we have is a skyscraper slash office building. It could also be used as an apartment building. We have a post office with a post van, a hospital with an ambulance, a mall, Burger King, a playground, a cafe, a gas station, a butcher shop, a small farm with a farmhouse, barn, and multiple vehicles, grocery store, a Nike store, mini arcade, a hotel, a mini campsite, a not so mini amusement park. I'm not sure if it's going to stay this way or if I will shrink it and alter it, but in some form or function, we will have one of these. And finally, a mini firehouse. So yeah, that's what I have been working on so far. I am, of course, always working on new stuff, and I'm really looking forward to actually being able to record some of these as tutorials, and we can add them to our city ASAP. But please do continue making suggestions. I really do find them insanely helpful. I am literally working through them as fast as I can, and I'm taking every single one into consideration. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully we will start building this city a lot faster soon, and I hope to see you guys in the next tutorial. Goodbye.